Hello students, in continuation with yesterday's lecture, we'll continue with the motivational theories. Yesterday we saw Abraham Maslow's need hierarchy theory. Today we are going to learn Frederick Herzberg's two-factor theory. Frederick Herzberg developed two-factor theory, which was based on survey or research conducted by him. He asked two questions to the individuals who were selected for the purpose of research, and the two questions were, what is about your job that you like and what is about your job that you dislike. So here it means that two questions which were asked to people, it includes that तुम्हाला नोकरी केल्यावर तुम्हाला त्याच्यातून काय नोकरीबद्दल तुम्हाला काय आवडतं आणि काय आवडत नाही, असे दोन टाईपचे क्वेश्चन्स विचारले होते. त्या बेसिसवर त्यांनी दोन फॅक्टर्स, मोटिवेशनल फॅक्टर्स फाइंड आउट केलेले आहेत. आणि the responses of these two questions are put by him into two categories. Now, which are those two categories? They are two types. One is hygienic factors and second is motivational factors. So the hygienic factors are those factors which prevent dissatisfaction. They are called as hygienic factors. Prevent dissatisfaction means तुम्हाला डिससॅटिस्फाय होण्यापासून तुम्हाला ते परावृत्त करतात. ओके, सो म्हणजे ते फॅक्टर्स आहेत म्हणून तुम्ही खूप सॅटिस्फाईड असता असं नाही, पण ते जर नसतील तर तुम्ही डिससॅटिस्फाईड होता. Okay, so these factors prevent dissatisfaction among employees and maintain the level of motivation at certain level. So for example, you are having good handsome salary, job security, or your relationship with your boss or superior is very good. Okay, so these are the things which prevent dissatisfaction, but it doesn't increase your level of motivation or it doesn't increase your level of satisfaction. पण ते तुम्हाला डिससॅटिस्फाय होण्यापासून प्रिव्हेंट करतात. Okay, so presence of these factors prevent dissatisfaction and absence of these factors lead to dissatisfaction among employees. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुमचा जॉब टेम्पररी आहे किंवा तुमचे सुपिरियर बरोबरचे किंवा बॉस बरोबरचे तुमचे रिलेशन्स थोडेसे स्पॉइल्ड आहेत. ओके, सो ह्या अशा गोष्टी असेल तर तुम्ही डेफिनेटली डिससॅटिस्फाय होता, असमाधानी असता एम्प्लॉईज. ओके, म्हणून ॲब्सेन्स ऑफ दीज फॅक्टर्स लीड टू डिससॅटिस्फॅक्शन अमंग द एम्प्लॉईज. ओके, देन म्हणजे आपण थोडक्यात म्हणू की हायजीन फॅक्टर्स मेंटेन द लेवल ऑफ मोटिवेशन अमंग द एम्प्लॉईज. ओके, अँड इट प्रिव्हेंट्स डिससॅटिस्फॅक्शन. Then second factor is motivational factors. Of course, the name itself signifies that they motivate you. They motivate the employees to work very efficiently and work very hard. So these factors help to encourage people for better performance and higher efficiency. It includes the achievement of higher responsibility, chances of growth. Okay, then increment in your salary. It helps to improve the level of satisfaction. And for example, now if you chances of growth, for example, if you allow your employee for his further education, okay, then his achievement is being appreciated a lot in the organization, he is being felicitated in the meetings. Okay, so these are the examples which motivate the employee to work more in a more better way. He will work very sincerely, he'll try to give his 100%, he'll make use of his whole potential for the benefit of the organization. So this way all these factors will improve the level of satisfaction. Then because of these motivational factors, we have seen various types of motivation or means of motivation: positive, negative, financial and non-financial. These all types come under these motivational factors, and people respond positively to these factors. They result in higher output and higher productivity. So motivational factors itself motivate the employees to work very hard and efficiently. Okay, so this is about Frederick Herzberg two-factor theory. So with this we end with today's lecture. Thank you.